Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Get ready to uncover 20 mind-blowing, weird, and wonderful celebrity events that happened on November 26 throughout history. From iconic births to astonishing achievements, we've got it all. Stay tuned for some jaw-dropping facts you won't believe. If you love diving into intriguing celebrity stories, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community. Number 20. On November 26, 1975, DJ Khaled was born in New Orleans. Turning 49 on November 26, 2024, the music mogul continues to drop major keys and anthems, blessing us all with another one of his unforgettable catchphrases and collaborations. Number 19. British pop sensation Natasha Bedingfield was born on November 26, 1981. She turns 43 on November 26, 2024, still unwritten and pocketing sunshine, as she inspires us with her uplifting tunes and radiant positivity. Number 18. On November 26, 1990, Rita Ora entered the world. Celebrating her 34th birthday on November 26, 2024, the singer and actress continues to shine on stage and screen, proving she's a true phoenix rising. Number 17. Charles M. Schulz, the genius behind Peanuts, was born on November 26, 1922. He passed away at 77, leaving us with Snoopy, Charlie Brown, and a legacy of laughter and life lessons. Number 16. Fleetwood Mac's bassist John Meekvey was born on November 26, 1945. Turning 79 on November 26, 2024, he's still going his own way, grooving to the rhythms that made rock history. Number 15. NFL legend Art Shell was born on November 26, 1946. At 78 on November 26, 2024, he remains a trailblazer, being one of the first African-American head coaches in NFL history. Number 14. Master impressionist Rich Little was born on November 26, 1938. Turning 86 on November 26, 2024, he's still the man of 1,000 voices, keeping audiences laughing with his spot-on impersonations. Number 13. On November 26, 1942, Casablanca premiered in New York City. The iconic film starring Humphrey Bogart and Ingrid Bergman taught us that we'll always have Paris and classic cinema. Number 12. Punk rock was unleashed when the Sex Pistols released Anarchy in the UK on November 26, 1976. The rebellious anthem shook the music world and gave the establishment a safety pin jab. Number 11. Stephen Hillenburg, creator of SpongeBob SquarePants, passed away on November 26, 2018, at age 57. He left a pineapple under the sea and a porous yellow friend who lives on in our hearts. Number 10. Italian director Bernardo Bertolucci died on November 26, 2018, at 77. Known for masterpieces like The Last Emperor, he left cinema with a rich tapestry of visual storytelling. Number 9. Iloma Stolar Akasicciolina was born on November 26, 1951. Turning 73 on November 26, 2024, the former adult film star and politician remains a symbol of controversy and boundary pushing. Number 8. Actor Peter Facinelli was born on November 26, 1973, celebrating his 51st birthday on November 26, 2024. He's known for his role as Dr. Carlisle Cullen in the Twilight Saga. Number 7. Israeli singer Eric Einstein died on November 26, 2013, at 74. A cultural icon, his music was the soundtrack of a nation, resonating deeply with generations. Number 6. Robert Goulet, born on November 26, 1933, enchanted audiences with his baritone voice. He passed away at 73, but his melodious legacy continues to serenade us. Number 5. Chess grandmaster Maxu died on November 26, 1981, at age 80. The former world chess champion's strategic brilliance still inspires players to checkmate their way to victory. Number 4. On November 26, 1968, rock band Cream played their farewell concert at the Royal Albert Hall. The power trio bid adieu, leaving fans with a bittersweet sunshine of your love. Number 3. On November 26, 1922, Howard Carter opened King Tut's tomb, igniting global fascination. While not a celebrity himself, the boy king became an ancient superstar, influencing pop culture and inspiring explorers. Number 2. Tina Turner, born on November 26, 1939, passed away on May 24, 2023, at age 83. The Queen of Rock and Roll left a proud memory and a legacy of electrifying performances. Number 1. Playwright Eugenie Ionesco was born on November 26, 1909. He died at 84, but his absurdist plays like The Bald Soprano continue to bewilder and entertain theater lovers worldwide. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride through celebrity history on November 26. If you enjoyed these fascinating tidbits, smash that like button and share the video with your friends. Don't miss out on more weird and wonderful celebrity stories. Subscribe to Celebrities in History and hit the notification bell so you're always in the know.